Hello, good morning. This is Bhupinder Singh from DFNF. Today we are going to talk about metabolic age, your reason of staying young or aging faster. So, firstly, we will understand what is metabolic age. Metabolic age, if we term it in the right sense, is how many calories your body burns at rest compared to the average of BMR for people of your chronicle age. Chronicle age is basically the date of birth, the age that you calculate with your date of birth. To make it very simple, uh, your chronicle age or as per your date of birth, as of today you would put yourself at an age value. So let's say that if you age at 40 right now, that is your chronicle age. Metabolic age is how your body behaves internally, is something what you need to know, basis which you will be able to know that what is your metabolic age. There are various formulas on the internet which you can go and you can identify. There are various machines which are also available in the market. Various health clinics also do that analysis and they give you your metabolic age. Why this topic of metabolic age? In today's scenario, you would hear, or even if you must have done any sort of test, you must have realized that if your age is X, your chronicle age is X, for example, is 40 years of age, and your metabolic age is ahead of that. Let's say that it is at around 50 or 55. So your body internally is behaving like or your metabolism is behaving like an age person of 50 or a 55. What is there as a number? So, despite you being of 40 years of age, your body internally is behaving like a higher aged person. Simultaneously, it can also happen that you age 40 and your metabolic age is lower than 40. So, let's say that you go a decade behind, your body behaves like a 30-year-old. So, what is the difference? If your metabolic age is higher than your chronicle age, that means you are unhealthy. Your organs are under stress, your body is under stress. And if your body age is under the chronicle age, as I said, if it is at 30 instead of 40 chronicle age and your metabolic age is at 30, that means you are having a very healthy lifestyle and you're very healthy. So what exactly is happening when the metabolic age is high? The When the metabolic age is high, that means you will behave or your body will behave like a 50 or a 55-year-old. So if you would speak to anyone or if you see any a 50 55-year-old person or anyone who's higher than that, you will realize how their body behaves, their movements, their thinking, the metabolism, the weight gain or their body structure, how what kind of shape it is in. So indirectly you are behaving in this chronicle age like that particular person. So that is really harmful because you are aging faster in comparison to how you should have been aged, and your body will start behaving that way. So most of the people with high metabolic age would also complain about being very lethargic, very lazy, slow, does not feel like doing anything, or feel like resting more, lazing around. The energy levels are very low. So that is some kind of reasons what you can analyze and what you can feel that where your body is taking. So why this particular metabolic age theory is so important for the body? I would just take you back to your ancestors or general lifestyle of our or the aging factor of our ancestors in our country. They always had a very high age life. So you must have heard that they have stayed for any of your respective ancestors, grandparents, or maybe your parents have lived up to 80, 100, even beyond that. How they were able to do that? They were able to do that because their metabolic age was lower than that and they were still very active at that age. 80 plus people are still so active. If you see them, they do their deeds on their own. They have good movements. That is because their metabolic age is lower than their chronicle age. So maybe at an 80 or a 90, they are behaving like a 70-year-old, a 80-year or 60-year-old. Again, it differs. how good you take care of yourself. That is why our ancestors had a really very long life. And if we go back to a decade or two, or even in the current decade, you would hear the life expectancy or the life age of an individual has come down to a 70 or even lower than that, close to 50. Also, you must have heard people falling sick or even dying at a very early age, 28, 30. Heart attacks are very common. 30 in the age group of 30 and 40, it is very common. uh, so that is a question. What is your metabolic age at that moment when the body is going through all these kind of pressure and the reactions? So this is one way to understand and accept, to analyze that what really you need to do about your own health. So what is the reason for high metabolic age? Uh, Reasons for high metabolic age would be, somewhere like people getting obesity, unhealthy lifestyle, too long working hours, spending literally 12 to 18 hours working and very less span of sleeping hours. So you are not even able to reach 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your body will become unhealthy. And simultaneously, what is your eating pattern? How good are you with your eating? How active are you? How many hours continuously are you sitting on your chair and working, or maybe sitting on your chair on your sofa and watching television, or are you on your mobile? These are also very high reasons for increasing your metabolic age, because suddenly the body is feeling less movement and it is going into a very relaxed mode. So you feel, in a way, feel like an aged person who is being very slow. uh, when I say that feeling like an aged person, I would say if you really see a healthy aged person would not behave this way. They would be more active than a 40 or a 30-year-old, because they feel very young internally. Also, there is very low metabolism going with the body. There is dehydration is also another cause. You The entire, if we sum up everything, all these small things, it impacts your metabolism in totality, and it impacts your organs. So what is happening is the organs are not functioning the way it should have been functioning, utilizing the food, storing good fats, using the protein, using the carbs for the energy levels, purifying and excreting all the waste on time to time basis. So another one big reason, as per me, to gauge what the metabolic age is, people also feeling a lot of constipation and having facing constipation continuously. There is This is the best way to analyze and feel that your metabolism has gone for a toss. And if this continues for weeks, for months, and it becomes a regular lifestyle for you for a year or two, yes, the metabolic age will keep on increasing for you. So what we really need to do with this, how can we reverse metabolic age? Metabolic age can be reversed by eating good healthy food, uh, having a good amount of water daily, exercising daily. So exercising daily would be like you give yourself a 30 to 60 minutes of workout every day, wherein there is a lot of movements about your head to toe, your limbs, your joints. There is a lot of exercise which is happening, flexibility, stretching, and simultaneously you're giving a lot of oxygen to your brain. And once the brain is getting adequate oxygen, the entire body will keep on getting more oxygen. So you will suddenly feel more energetic and more active also. So if we go down to food, yes, what we need to do with food? With food, you need to have good carbs, limited carbs. When I say limited carbs, is something just stick to grains, cereals, uh, and not to any sort of plastic or a packet food, because they come with additional carbs, and lowering down your sugar intake, your soda intake, aerated waters. All these things, if you remove from your eating habit and just include basic simple carbs, complex carbs, which are regular in your meal, you will automatically able to manage your eating habit. Uh, Adding good fats to your diet, to your daily eating, will improvise your metabolism, will improvise your brain functioning. Adding good proteins daily as per your body requirement will also give you a better metabolic age. So adding these small things would really help you gain and better your lifestyle and also your metabolic age. So once the metabolism is faster, is at a higher rate, that means your body internally is going to behave very healthy and is going to respond very healthy towards your day-to-day activity also. So in this entire thing, when you are trying to or you are going to eat healthy and eat right, your organs are going to be in a very relaxed state because they always wanted this kind of healthy eating, nutritious food, so that they can metabolize it, use them properly, excrete the unwanted food, and make keep on adding more value to your muscles, good hydration to your body, and also the required minerals, vitamins, which your body would always keep on requiring on day-to-day necessity as a day-to-day necessity. So this is what would be really useful for you. So other way also to improve metabolism would be having a good sleeping pattern. If you are able to make sure that you sleep 7 to 8 hours daily, that would also improvise your metabolism. That is one of the best thing to do. If you are able to incorporate this, I can guarantee you, if you improvise on your nutrition, have adequate sleep 7 to 8 hours every day, you will realize that you're automatically losing weight, you're losing inches, and you will feel better about yourself. Adding good quantity of water daily, keeping yourself body hydrated throughout the day, from morning till the time you go to sleep. Simultaneously, adding good amount of exercises, as I said earlier, 30 to 60 minutes on day-to-day basis. To begin with, you can do a 20 minutes, 30 minutes as per your body capability, and slowly keep on increasing minute to 5, maybe on a weekly basis or a fortnightly basis. And over a period of time, you will be able to reach the mark of a 60 or a 90 minutes of daily workout. So what really I would want you to do to understand the entire theory and why it is important for you is, you need to sit down, take a pen and paper, just go back to your history, go back to your ancestors, your great grandparents, your parents, your grandparents, and as back you can go. Just put down their age till what they survived. You will realize that they had a very long life. That means your DNA, your body capability is to live that age or even beyond that. So in a way, what I'm trying to say is, if my ancestors have lived 90 plus of age for generations, be paternal, be maternal, my capability of living is 90 plus, 100 plus. That was only possible for them because they were very highly active. They were having nutritious food, good sleeping pattern, keeping themselves hydrated, regular movements, for I wouldn't say exercise, but at that point of time they were doing things on their own. So there was a lot of movement, which is also can be termed as exercise. So they were not really sitting lazing around, but they were doing many things, moving around, doing their own deeds on day-to-day basis. So this way you will be able to analyze and realize your capacity, your body capability, of what age till what age and beyond you can live. So if you are able to, and when you are able to realize the DNA by doing this small calculation and maths, you will be able to emphasize, and if you incorporate all these small changes starting right now, you will see a lot of change in you. So this is another way of also understanding that what does high metabolic age also do to the body. In today's scenario, you must have you must have heard about low fertility. There is high obesity. People always complain, I do not have the energy after a certain period of time. I feel very tired. The moment I get up in the morning, there is a lot of irritation. There is low energy. You don't feel like doing anything. So you need to just check back what were you doing yesterday with your eating and your sleeping pattern and your activity pattern. When you realize that it is not in place and it is not meeting your body requirement, you need to change that, as we discussed right now. When you do this for a week, you will realize a lot of change. Your morning patterns will start changing. You will mentally feel fresh. You will be more energetic to do your day-to-day activity and your deeds. This will be able to help you with reversing of metabolic age also. Again, metabolic age reversal would take time. To put yourself as a mark of a 21 days or a month would be very less. You need to work on giving yourself 3 to 6 months, 9 months, and just keep on doing this to have a good taste of this particular lifestyle and feel good about it. That is the way you will be able to adapt this new change, and you will be able to understand how and why this is so important for you to live a long, healthy life. So before ending this session, I would just want to thank you for all your emails and all your questions, what you been asking, and I hope I've been able to answer you on email and also on the chats below. So before ending the session, we just want to inform the next week we will be talking about and we'll be executing a plan as a general base, what you can do with your how you can plan your nutrition on a day-to-day basis to get a feel and taste about the nutrition life by eating healthy, what and how you would feel. So we will be doing this session next Sunday at 11 o'clock. Would love to see you. And if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, would love to hear from you. Get emails, messages, WhatsApp, however you feel comfortable asking your queries and questions. Thank you so much.